Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset Honda Fit Oil Life Full Guide. Start by turning the ignition to on without starting the engine, then locate the Select/Reset knob on the dash. Press and hold the knob until the oil life display begins to blink, then release and press the knob once more to confirm. Wait for the display to show 100% or a confirmation message, then turn the ignition off and you are done. I'll walk you through clear dashboard steps that are easy to follow. With the ignition on, watch the oil life percentage and find the Select/Reset knob. Press and hold the knob until the percentage blinks, then release and press once to confirm. The display should update to show full oil life or a confirmation message. If it does not, repeat the process calmly and check your owner's manual for knob location. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video, it really helps me out. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make crouched garage work way comfier. I've got the link and other deals listed in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the reset doesn't take, stay calm and try a couple more times with the ignition cycled. Make sure the display is functioning and that the Select/Reset knob is not sticky or damaged. If the readout stays blank or stubbornly refuses to update, the maintenance minder system might need inspection. In that case, a quick check at a trusted shop will resolve electrical or software issues and get your oil life indicator back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.